What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be unboxing something that I bought from Amazon. So let's get... Alright, so we have phone charger there. It's micro USB. There's nothing else in there. Return form. And then I don't know why this is in here, but this is for the charger. And here is the phone. And it just says thank you for your purchase. Here's the actual phone. I paid around $80 for this. It's for Verizon. Let's see if there's a charge. Here's a power button. And it has a VGA front facing camera. So you guys are going to see a better picture. But that's it for this unboxing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe.